Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. Today our video is about shocking forecast for Pakistani Rupee in May. The Pakistani Rupee is the emerging market's worst performer in the past few months. Pakistani Rupee is likely to extend losses in the next fiscal year, having lost over 102 rupees against the US dollar since April 2022. A high-profile investment banker, who in October predicted the PKR to fall below 250, has made another blood-curdling bet that the rupee could crash beyond 300 against the dollar in May and to as low as 310 by June. Bankers said, the 300 to 310 band feels like just a few weeks away since the formula doesn't work anymore. A controlled current account deficit in the next fiscal year will keep the rupee happy-go-lucky, but it won't stop further devaluation until industries reboot. The IMF cash is a short-term solution, so elections may offer more clarity. Ever since the government reluctantly relaxed currency controls in January, markets can't predict exchange rate movement as investors thought they would. The government has been fulfilling the IMF-requested changes for $1 billion bailout, which have resulted in commodity energy price spikes in the short term and made lives miserable for the people. Bankers noted, Pakistan is experiencing a balance of payments crisis, as analysts are calling it. The country has been spending more on trade than it has brought in, depleting its forex reserves and lowering the rupee's value. These dynamics, coupled with import and forex restrictions, raise interest payments on foreign debt which we're incurring heavily, and the default gossip is no longer a joke. Some of the issues that the country is dealing with are unique to Pakistan. Political peril and artificial efforts to prop up the PKR have weighed on the economy heavily. Politics and self-interests aside, authorities should announce elections to deal with domestic factors. Feels wrong to put it this way, but instability and polarization since spring last year have only heightened uncertainty which is hurting the PKR. The rupee has declined over 56% since April 11, 2022. Falling by rupees 106.4 from 182.02 to 288.42 to date, weighed by the abrupt political takeover last spring and subsequent struggles of Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's government to save the ship. From the 30th of December 2022 to date, the rupee has shed 25.7% in value. In recent months, the Pakistani rupee has been one of the hardest hit currencies globally. From a low of 105.18 in 2018, it has crashed to the current level of 288.42. The USD-PKR exchange rate has shifted above all moving averages and is likely to continue falling as trends look set for the next threshold at 300. Economic analysts said, the more uncertainty and signs of weaknesses and political uncertainty, the lower PKR can fall. However, IMF's SLA and FX improvements can very well stabilize the rupee below rupees 300 for the next few months as the current account moderates to near surplus and speculation reduces. Looking ahead, for an economy estimated to grow by only 0.4% in the current fiscal year, Pakistan hasn't avoided grappling with rampant price hikes and a massive dollar shortage. The State Bank of Pakistan recently hiked its key interest rate to 21% in a bid to clamp down on annual consumer inflation of almost 35.4%, the highest inflation reading recorded in Pakistan since April 1965. Still, the outlook remains bearish. The central bank may mop up any inflows to boost its foreign exchange reserves, a move that may also work in favor of PKR, but only temporarily. The IMF's endless delay in bailing out Pakistan has made market participants skeptical of the possibility of funding, causing importers to panic and purchase dollars at higher prices.